video, we're going to be focusing on pitch. In the previous video, we learned that music is written on a set of 5 lines called a stave, and we need to place a clef sign at the beginning of the stave to indicate whether we are writing music in the higher range or the lower range. In this video, we will be focusing on the treble clef stave. The first thing you need to do is learn how to draw the treble clef sign. We start by making a small dot on the second line of the stave. We spiral around this dot in a clockwise motion. Heading up over the top line of the stave, we loop around and come all the way back down past the bottom line of the stave and make a little hook to the left. Notes are named after the first 7 letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, B, F and G. Once we reach G, we start over again on A. We can write notes on the lines or the spaces of the treble clef stave. Each line and space of the treble clef stave is assigned a different letter name. When I write a note on that line or in that space, it takes on that letter name. So, this note is an E, this note is a B, and this note is an F. We can use rhymes to help us remember the names of the lines and spaces of the stave. For the treble clef lines, we use the rhyme, "Every green buzz strives fast." A note that sits on the bottom line of the stave is an E. The note that sits on the second line of the stave is a G. The note that sits on the middle line of the stave is a B. The note that sits on the fourth line of the stave is a D. And the note that sits on the top line of the stave is an F. We can also write notes in the spaces of our stave. These notes are really easy to remember because they spell the word face. The note in the bottom space is an F. The note in the second space is an A. The note in the third space is a C. And the note in the top space is an E. If we combine our line and space notes, we can see that they go up in alphabetical order: E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E and F. Over time, you will learn how to read these notes by just looking at them. But for now, use your rhymes to help you remember the name of each note. Please just ensure that you're using the correct rhyme. The first question you should ask yourself when naming a note is this a line note or a space note? And then use the correct rhyme to find your answer.